engine light is back on. And when I was driving, it said engine power reduced. And it had service control. That is the same problem I've been having with this car. I dropped it off over at this dealership for them to fix that problem. Did they fix that problem? Yeah. For a good month. Probably not even that. Did they fix that problem? June, July, May. I have it in May. June. It's July. Yeah, for a good month. Probably not even that, like I was saying. Now, I have engine power reduced. Once again. So, they didn't fix it all the way, apparently. I'm pissed off because I'm tired of this car. I spent a lot of money on this car. Putting in stuff in this car. I just bought some damn brake pads and put some damn brake pads on this damn car. Now this car won't do this shit again. I'm tired of it. I want another car, but do I have the money for another car? No. This car is just fucking stupid, bro. I'm fucking tired of this shit. Like, it's always something wrong with this bullshit. Always something wrong. Always something. It ain't never not nothing wrong with the car. There's always something wrong with it. Always. Like, my damn controls don't... Bro, look. My controls don't even work. It don't roll down the window. It don't at all. My controls are on everywhere else. Its locks broke, but the window rolled down. This window don't even go down. I'm tired of it. I'm really tired of this car, bro. I don't know what to do. I'm driving. I'm about to drive it. I want y'all to see. I want y'all to see what it do. It want to act all cool now. It want to act all cool now. But when I was just driving it want to pop up engine power reduce. Like, why is you doing that? Why are you even popping up? Could have sworn they took you off and fixed you. And I swear to God, they try to charge me. They gonna give they right here my mouth on folks. I don't give a fuck. I'm fucking pissed off. Like, why the fuck is he doing this dumbass shit, bro? I'm tired of this fucking car, bro. I'm not cutting nothing out. I don't give a fuck. I'm not editing nothing either. My mama gonna take all 50 years to get here. I was planning on going somewhere tomorrow. And today. Why can't I just have that? My dream car. No. I gotta have this broke ass car. This weak ass fucking 2006 14-year-old fucking car. Fucking tired of this shit, bro. Now I don't want to do it, then I got it on camera. Like, why is it shaking my car like that? You don't have to shake that damn much. Why are you getting over so fucking early, bitch? You better slow down. I'm pissed off, bro. I don't care. I'm going to McDonald's. I want to shake. Now I want to drive good. Now I don't want to do it no more. Now I don't want to do it no more. But it was just... There you go. There you go. There you go. There it fucking go. I bet that Buick is the same car as mine. I bet that Buick don't have it. Look. Listen to it. I'm going back over there. I'm not waiting, because I bet that Buick ain't nothing wrong with that damn car. But everything going with my shit, though. I'm going back over there. Plus, I'm not waiting in this line. Nope. And she on the moped. She right here in my car being stupid, bruh. My God. Let me over. I pull out slow. Please let me over. And let me go back to where I was at. Please. I don't even know why I just came out. Please let me over. I pull out slow. Well, that wasn't slow, but it's slow. Let me over. Tired of this shit, bro. I'm getting over. Slow your ass down, man. I'm going back over here. Tired of it. If they charge me, don't even fix it. I don't even care. I don't even want to fix it no more. If they gonna charge me, I don't even want to fix it no more. Just leave it alone. I just won't drive the damn car no more. I'll just be carless. I'd rather be carless than keep fucking having to pay to get this bullshit fucking fixed. And they want to keep fucking up every fucking second. I'm tired of this shit, dude. For real. I want to mess up every fucking second of the fucking day. I'm not editing nothing. I don't care. Y'all gonna watch this video. Why you gotta make noises for, bro? Shut up. Dang, can't you turn the AC on without it rumbling? I'm tired of this car, bro. Had another car, it was cool. Wasn't that much wrong with the shit. I just had to put some damn new tires on it, I guess. But nah. Niggas wanna get in wrecks and shit. Niggas wanna get fucking side T-bone, whatever the fuck they wanna fucking call the shits. Bro, I'm tired of this car. Ready to cry, bro. I'm about to be. God, I swear to God. Everything is just fucking wrong with this car, bro. Everything. It's always something. This car is unfixable. I just need. Give me guy, give me some money so I can get another car. I just want another car. I just want another car. Fresh car, 0 mileage, right off the lot. Not that much. I don't even care what car it is. Just give me a car off the lot that ain't got no fucking problems with it, and I'll be fucking straight. Let the problems come when they come. I'll take care of it then. But nah, I gotta have a car that come with problems. Ever since I got this fucking car, it always had fucking problems. I get hand-me-down stuff, and then my parents get mad at me when shit's fucked up and acting like I did something to the fucking car, and I don't do shit to the fucking car. Fucking pissed, bro. I don't be doing nothing to this damn shit. I don't be doing nothing to nothing they give to me. Nothing at all. Shit just breaks. And shit just fucked up when I get it. Cause y'all been wearing it damn all this damn time. And then when I finally get it, everything won't fucking fuck up. I'm not paying to get this shit fixed. I'm not. So if I go in here and I ask them, are they gonna charge me to fix it? Just cause they didn't fix it. If they say they gonna charge me to fix it or charge me to look at it, don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. On God. Don't touch my shit. I'm not touching this car no more. I'm dropping this bitch off at home and I'm not touching it. On God. So we ready to go in here and see. Fucking pissed off. Where the bitch at? Like, why can't I have this? If y'all were supposed to fix something and it fixed for like a month or whatever, and then it happens again, will y'all charge me for that? Or
We never did. We had 12,000 parts in
I was just making sure. How do I drop it off? Or how do I just drop it off? Do I just give y'all the key or whatever? What do I do? Yeah, she told me it was gonna be 3 weeks or something, and then she said I could just drop it off, and then she'll try to look at it next week or something. I don't know.
Drop it off tonight.
Yeah.
Give me the key, and I'll take all the information. As long as you talk to somebody, we know what's going on, man. It won't be soon. We'll try the best we can.
I don't know. How to get these things off. You know how to get these off? I don't know how to do it. Yeah, not charge.
So were you working with Marcy?
Oh, I don't know. My dad had came up here at first and dropped it off. So,
What's your name?
Mark,
Mark?
Warner.
W-A-R-N-E-R?
Yep.
And what's your phone number, Mark?
50. I hate you with a passion. April, I don't love you no more. And it's on my mama. I fucking hate you. Look at what you pulling. What you? Who car is that?
I gotta get my nails done.
Who car is that?
They got keys.
Yes. Who? Hold on. What you doing? Yup. Who car you in?
You gonna throw it a couple ways since you left it in there.
Yes, mama. Who the hell car she in? I know it better not be hers. That's what I do know. It better not be hers. Because if it is, we got problems. Because how you gonna get you a new car, but not me? I gotta take all this stuff out. She rushing me talking about she gotta go to get her nails done at 5:30, but she wanna stop at this oil store and pick up some dang oil. Why are you rushing me talking about you gotta go somewhere and you over stopping at stores and shit? Don't rush me. It's 5:26 and you rushing me. You don't rush me. You at the store. Talk about you hurrying up, trying to hurry up. You ain't trying to hurry up. Man, I'm gone.